Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 Bast 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. LASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer. Color, black. Weight, 23.8 pounds. Category, 3D printer. If you want a 3D printer that focuses heavily on speed without making the setup overly complicated, the LASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is definitely worth a look. One of the biggest highlights here is the fully automatic bed leveling. That means you can spend less time making manual adjustments and more time actually printing. The Core XY design also helps the printer move quickly, with a claimed travel speed of up to 600 mm per second. What makes the Adventurer 5M especially practical is how quickly it can get ready to print. The nozzle can heat up to 200 degrees Celsius in about 35 seconds, and the direct extruder reaches up to 280 degrees Celsius. The detachable nozzle design is another convenient touch, with quick nozzle changes that can make maintenance and different printing needs easier to manage. For print quality, features like vibration compensation, dual fan cooling, and a dual-sided PI build platform are designed to help produce more consistent results. You can also monitor printing remotely through the FlashMaker mobile app. The main limitation is that high-speed printing can still require proper setup and regular maintenance for the best results. Overall, the Adventurer 5M looks like a solid choice for users who want a fast, modern 3D printer with automatic leveling and a user-friendly design. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Color, K2 SE. Weight, 27.5 pounds. Category, 3D printer. The Creality K2 SE is built for people who want fast 3D printing, stable performance, and room to expand as their projects become more advanced. With a lightweight Core XY motion system, this printer can reach speeds of up to 500 mm per second, while acceleration can reach 20,000 mm per second squared. Of course, real-world print speed can depend on the model, material, and settings, but the hardware is clearly designed for high-speed workflows. The solid metal frame is another standout feature. Its rigid construction helps keep the printer stable during rapid movement, while built-in vibration sensing and input shaping are designed to reduce unwanted ringing and improve surface quality. Setup is also beginner-friendly. The K2 SE requires only about 5 minutes of assembly, and fully automatic leveling takes care of much of the first layer preparation. The direct drive extruder adds accurate filament control, while the quick swap nozzle and filament runout sensor make everyday maintenance more convenient. Another interesting feature is its compatibility with the Creality CFS system, sold separately, for expanded multicolor printing capabilities. The main thing to keep in mind is that some advanced features require additional equipment. Overall, the K2 SE looks like a capable choice for users who want a fast, sturdy 3D printer that can grow with their experience. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Color, Ender 3v3 Plus. Weight, 30.9 pounds. Category, 3D printer. If your main goal is to print bigger models without constantly splitting them into smaller pieces, the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus brings a lot of space to the table. Its 300 by 300 by 330 mm build volume gives you room for larger designs, while also making it possible to produce multiple smaller parts in a single batch. That can be especially useful for prototypes, practical components, or larger creative projects. Speed is another major focus. The Core XZ motion system and dual Y-axis motors support speeds of up to 600 mm per second, with acceleration reaching 20,000 mm per second squared. For high-speed printing, the reinforced motion system and additional support structure are designed to help reduce wobble and maintain smoother movement. The direct drive extruder is built for reliable filament feeding, and the tri-metal unicorn nozzle combines a hardened steel tip with an integrated metal design that should make maintenance and replacement more straightforward. Setup is also simplified with one-tap calibration, automatic leveling, Z-offset adjustment, and input shaping testing. The main consideration is its larger footprint and heavier 30.9-pound build. But if you need a fast printer with a generous build area, strong stability features, and minimal manual calibration, the Ender 3v3 Plus looks like a very capable option. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Color: Ender 3v3 SE. Weight: 15.66 pounds. Category: 3D printer. For anyone getting into 3D printing and looking for a machine that keeps the setup fairly simple, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE offers a practical combination of speed and beginner-friendly features. It can print at speeds of up to 250 mm per second, which is a noticeable step up from many traditional entry-level 3D printers. The Sprite Direct Drive Extruder is also a useful feature because it provides controlled filament feeding and supports common materials like PLA, PTG, and flexible TPU. One feature that should make everyday use easier is the automatic leveling system. The CR touch sensor works with a strain sensor for automatic Z offset adjustment, reducing the need to manually level the print bed before every project. The dual Z-axis design is intended to improve stability, while the steel linear shafts help support smooth movement along the Y-axis. Filament changes are also more convenient thanks to automatic loading and unloading. Assembly is relatively straightforward, with the printer arriving largely pre-assembled and designed to reach the first print in just a few steps. The main limitation is the more compact build area compared with larger Ender models, so very large projects may require a bigger printer. Still, for beginners and everyday hobby printing, the Ender 3v3 SE looks like a capable and approachable choice. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Color: Ender 3v3 SE. Weight: 19.8 pounds. Category: 3D printer. If you want a desktop 3D printer that gets you from unboxing to your first project without a long setup process, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is designed with that experience in mind. This version supports printing speeds of up to 250 mm per second, giving it a faster workflow than older Ender 3 models. The speed is paired with a Sprite Direct Drive Extruder, which helps feed materials like PLA, PTG, and TPU more consistently. Setup is one of the biggest conveniences here. The printer is designed to be assembled in 3 steps, and the CR Touch automatic leveling system works alongside an automatic Z-offset sensor to simplify first layer preparation. That can be especially helpful for beginners who don't want to spend a lot of time adjusting the bed manually. The dual Z-axis structure and synchronized movement are designed to improve stability, while the steel Y-axis shafts support smooth platform movement. A 32-bit silent mainboard also helps reduce operating noise, and the flexible spring steel build plate makes finished prints easier to remove. The main trade-off is the relatively compact print volume, which may limit larger projects. But for everyday hobby printing beginners, and users who want a faster, quieter, and easier-to-use machine, the Ender 3v3 SE remains a practical option.